Karnataka minister owing up to glaring lapses. The Mantri says needed better planning and coordination. Priyank Khadge says did best we could to manage this crowd. The Mantri hits out at his own government about crowd management.
BJP likes to politicize everything. The same BJP, when we told that a victory parade in an open bus would not be feasible on such short notice because of the lack of time to make arrangements, they said we were insulting the cricketers. But that post has now been deleted and now they are saying that should not have been done at all. So BJP intention of politicizing and communalizing everything is not healthy.
Sagay is getting in more details on the story, joining us from the Chinnaswamy Stadium at this point in time. Sagay, at least we have one minister coming out and saying that this could have been handled much better, isn't it, Priyank Khadge, with that statement?
Absolutely, and if you notice that probably all the ministers are quite well aware that it should have handled a better way, but nobody is coming out and talking about it. In fact, everybody knows that there is a collective failure of government, RCB and KAC management in this entire tragedy of killing 11 people. Imagine this particular road, one particular footpath, which is just accommodating close to 3 lakh people who want to enter a stadium. It is a mere joke, and bouncers handling the entry and exit of the fans and the police controlling the crowd. This clearly shows that there was no planning. It was a short notice, and even if they would have organized on a Friday or a weekend, there would have been more crowd. Whether you organize the next day or a previous day or whichever day it is after the match, you will find this kind of crowd when there is a celebration for RCB, because RCB has a huge fan following. Even on a cricket match day, when we come here near the stadium, there will be around 35,000 people inside, but still outside there will be around 30,000 people still waiting for tickets. That is the kind of the fan following that RCB has, where everybody want to get a glimpse. Even there were followers even during the match time to get a glimpse of their players when they pass through the vehicles. You might have seen multiple videos on social media, and this is a kind of fan following. The government should have anticipated, the intelligence should have anticipated that this is the kind of crowd that you are going to get, because the RCB management has clearly mentioned that there will be a victory parade the next day. They had mentioned in their social media, and people from Kolar, people from Hassan.
I'll come back to you, Sagay. In a moment from now, we are talking about the stampede case. The news that we have is the court now taking a Suo Moto PIL on the Chinnaswamy tragedy, and the matter is going to be heard at 2:30. But this matter has now gone to court as a PIL, and the court has taken this matter up. Sagay, this matter is now going to be heard at 2:30. I'm presuming this has obviously got to do with the serious lapses in crowd management that we've seen.
There is a PIL which has been filed, and subsequently the Karnataka High Court has also taken a Suo Moto on this, and the case will be heard around 2:30 p.m. This afternoon. And the court have taken cognizance of the entire incident which has unfolded in front of Chinnaswamy Stadium. Remember, this is one of the tragedy, and even there was a terrorist attack in one of the IPL matches a few years back, probably 10 years back, but nobody was killed on that particular incident. It is worse than a terrorist attack in front of Chinnaswamy Stadium, where 11 people were killed because of the mismanagement. Thankfully, the court has taken up cognizance of it, and there will be a PIL which will be heard around 2:30 p.m. this afternoon.
2:30, this matter is going to be heard, with the court now taking cognizance of this matter. This is on the Chinnaswamy tragedy, hearing at 2:30 in the afternoon.